everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use Afterpay on StockX in 2025. The first thing you need to do is open up your StockX app, then log in or create an account. Once you're done, you add items to cart. So you need to browse and select the items you want. Tap buy now, or you can use the option of add to cart. Next, you have to go to your cart and tap check out. Once you tap check out, next thing you'll do is select Afterpay as the payment method. So under the payment method, choose Afterpay. If you are prompted, you can log into your Afterpay account. Next, don't forget that Afterpay will show you 4 interest-free installments, so you can confirm the schedule. Your first payment to be taken at checkout. Next, you have to tap place order. So StockX will process your purchase. Afterpay charges the remaining 3 payments automatically every 2 weeks. Note that Afterpay approval is instant but requires a valid debit or credit card. Late fees also apply if payments fail. Now, why does this work? Note that StockX still supports Afterpay as a payment option as at February 2025. And Afterpay's UI remains a checkout option. It's not a standalone tab. And no pay in full button. If you don't see the pay in full button, ensure your cart is $35 to $1,000. That is Afterpay's 2025 limits. In case you do not see the pay in full button when you are on Afterpay, do not forget it. So that's it for today. Hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.